Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make 김치찌개. A couple weeks ago, BTS made history by being the first K-pop band to open at #1 on the Billboard album chart. I still can't believe how popular K-pop and Korean culture has become worldwide. To celebrate, I wanted to make the BTS members' favorite food, starting with Jimin. Jimin has the perfect favorite food for this series, 김치찌개 or kimchi stew. It's delicious, healthy, easy to make, and probably the most Korean food there is. There are two different kinds of kimchi찌개, fish and meat. If you haven't seen my video so far, you know we are going with meat. Let's get started. First, we need 3 strips of samgyeopsal or pork belly. Cut them into half-inch slices. Next, get 2 hot peppers. You can leave this step out if you don't like spicy food. Cut the peppers into 1 cm long slices. Next, we want about 1.5 cups of kimchi. Cut it into bite-sized pieces or about half-inch slices. Kimchi찌개 tastes best with aged kimchi. It should be a little sour. Now we need a whole carton of firm tofu. Cut the tofu into bite-sized cubes. Get a large shallow pot and heat on medium-high. Add your pork belly and let sizzle. Then cover your pork belly with water. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Garlic, red peppers, and soybeans are in almost every Korean food. That's why this dish is perfect for representing Korean culture. Next, add half a spoon of doenjang or soybean paste and bring to a boil. Once the pot comes to a boil, add your kimchi. Let the stew boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Then, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, salted shrimp, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and red pepper flakes. Fresh kimchi is usually eaten with meat or as a side dish, but old kimchi is perfect to use in stew or in kimchi fried rice. Once that boils, I add my fresh red peppers because I like my food extra spicy. Finally, I added my tofu and some chopped green onions. Make sure to add the tofu right at the end so that it doesn't get crushed. I added a little more red pepper flakes to make it spicier. Since Jimin is from the south like me, he probably likes it spicier too. That's usually Gyeongsangdo people preference. When everything comes to a boil, transfer your stew to a bowl. I'm using a dolsot bowl, which is a traditional Korean stone bowl that will keep my stew boiling hot, but any bowl will do. If you're taking pictures, put your pork belly in the middle and place the tofu around it. That's it. We're all ready to eat. Kimchi, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Make sure to eat your stew with a fresh bowl of white rice. I can totally understand why this is Jimin's favorite food. It is spicy, sweet, tangy, and so meaty. Good choice, Jimin. I hope that BTS and other Korean singers continue to have a success worldwide and continue to bring Korean culture to the rest of the world. We'll be cheering you on.
여러분 화이팅!
If you enjoyed this episode, please leave a like to support my channel, and if you want to see next week's video, hit subscribe. If you have a favorite Korean idol, actor, or soccer player and you want to try their favorite food, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode for you. Or if you have a favorite Korean food you'd like to see me make, let me know and I will make that too. See you next week. 안녕!